again is classroom management, and OLTM is online learning. T is teaching management. So in both the online management or classroom face-to-face management, the general classroom behavior, let's call it as a classroom, even though it is online or face-to-face, beginning and end of the period. Now today, for example, when we started beginning it, there is an introduction, there is a briefing. What are we going to do? What is the ye maksad kya hai? And then what is the outcome? What is the thing we are discussing? And how do we have transactions within us? So transitions and interruptions. So there are transitions. We have to transacting. We have to have transitions. We have to interruptions. You have to use material and equipment. So I use a PPT. I use a Word document. I use my speaking. So is it only chalk, talk, and walk? Is it only chalk, talk, and walk we do even now in the classroom and in the online also? Or is it a different thing? Or is it difficult to do that? Group work. How do the children do their group work? How do they do the seat work? And how the teacher-led activities are happening? Are the teacher-led activities really happening, meaningfully happening, or easily happening, or happening with all difficulties? Now, what's the problem? Behavioral outcomes expected from OLT and developing skills get impeded or not. One thing. Is it a problem happening or not happening? So no great purpose served, flouting equitability. This is one thing, is a social issue. We may not be much aware of it, but socially it is happening. They are flouting equitability. After all, that is not the right thing to do, because Right to Education Act, when it came there, it says that you ought to be equal to everybody. So is it that we are doing, or is it we are depriving, or are we depriving children? So what is the solution? The solution is in 4 levels. Basic level is upload your lesson into YouTube channel, and then problems are mobile shooting, audio distraction. There are a lot of audio disturbance which come. Writing is not eligible, poor internet connections, power connection goes off, etc., etc. These are problems. The live channel streaming through Zoom, Skype, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, VizIQ. This is one thing where, and then the next channel, I mean the live channel is the teacher using a board, which is a whiteboard, or he puts a mobile on a stand or a chair in front of the whiteboard and or a green board and writes, or on the wall they write. God only knows where they write. That's not writing, not happening, etc. Digitizing writing, that is, how do we write on a tablet and it gets straight fed into the live? This is one important question. That is, the answer is there later. The live channel plus add-ons. So the third channel is the live channel plus add-on. Live channel means now what we are doing is a live channel plus add-on. I have not done. The only add-on is a PPT. We have not even shown you an activity or a YouTube video or things like that, because of the fear of the computer hanging. So once the computer hangs or the windows are not accepting when it is tired, the windows also get tired. So I now feel that I make mistakes in the classroom because my neurons are getting tired in my brain, and therefore the live channel plus add-on is a lot of issues. So there is a lot of issues behind it. Say add-on are the PDF, worksheets, paint, whiteboard, switchover, scripts as JPG images, or on-cam objects, websites, downloaded clips, etc. There are innumerous things which you can show them. A JPG image, even if you want to show, it has to be there already. So to organize them in sequences. Now, before you come to the class, you must have time and space. Do we have it? We must have time, and we must have time and space. Do we have the time and space apart from our regular routine work? Do we have the time and space to do it before class perfectly? Do it up and come and stage it? So there is a question there. Net disruptions, etc. happen. There are sequencing problem. Windows strength of multiple changeover. Windows 10 really creates a problem there. I have a Windows 7 laptop. I have a Windows 10 laptop. The Windows 10 laptop is the most advanced one, but still it has problems. Whereas Windows 7 laptop, like a very understanding guy, he goes forward. So what is the 4th channel? It is the ideal way. The 4th channel, the most important, time to visualize, gather, compile, edit, sequence, float, present. The 4th channel is the ideal way. The ideal way is, how do you make your scripts and how do you digitalize it, put it. So the ideal way may not be really best suited to all situations. Let us understand it. It's the ideal way. मतलब we are मतलब हम इसके बात कर रहे हैं, आदर्श वाली बातें कह रहे हैं. आदर्श वाली बातें हैं ये ideal. Rombo ideal on a way. That is a perfect way. Can't be. Most of the cases we may not be able to do it. So we accept it. So the 4th channel, ideal way, is the right prescription in many countries. but most difficult it's the most difficult terrain for the Indian school. Now what is that ideal thing is written in the top. Time to visualize. You have to visualize what all can I add. Can I bring an object? Can I bring a YouTube video? Can I download it? Can I clip the video so that it doesn't take undue time? Can I take a Discovery Education video? Can I take a BBC video, etc.? How do I clip it? Can I take an MP3? Can I act? Can I dance? Can I say some jokes? Yeah, will they record it? Can I write? And the worst part of it comes there, where you have to have technical writing like maths writing, chemistry writing, physics writing, accountancy writing, or physical education classes, or lab classes, computer training, etc., etc., etc. When there are technical writings which go on, it's not easy to type. So as you speak on, for example, if you take Google Meet, when you take the Google Meet app, you just register yourself and you speak. As you speak on in WhatsApp also, you have that facility. You switch on that mic, you speak, it types it out for you. But then when you type it out, be very careful. Their names will be mispronounced and typed. So when yesterday also when I pronounced somebody's name, I won't mention it, but then it typed very wrongly. If I had not corrected it, the person would feel very offended that his name was made into this way. So we have to visualize, to gather all that, compile it. Where are the websites? Where are the material available? How do I compile? Where do I have the time to compile them, edit them, sequence them, float it in the thing, go back and forth, checking yourself, then present it that day. So many steps are there in presenting to a small classroom, especially the smaller children, PP children, KG children have to be presented with it. But then in the class directly you can do it. It's possible. So to float on all that, the fourth channel has a lot of things: camcorders, webcam, use of 2 smartphones, post-production voiceover, etc., etc., digital pen. And so whether we can put it in MyView board, Chromebooks, Google Sheets, Docs, Calendar, Slides, and then G Suite or MyView board, etc., etc., or cloud-based, whether virtual learning when it happens in the ideal situation, on-premise, cloud-based, open source SAS platform, paid SAS platform, etc. There are lots of other things. There are a lot of other things also which come into the market. And so naturally, what I suggest is, what is actually easier for you, please choose that. Don't worry about too much of the things are available. You throw money, you buy anything.